All right, let's make lemon bars. Start off with a half a stick of softened butter. One stick, half a cup of softened butter. Ugh, not a great start. And then 1 1/4 cups of flour, a little bit of sugar, like 1/8 a cup, a pinch of salt, zest of 2 lemons. I got my wooden spoon this time. My hands could do a better job. See, it sticks together, but it also falls apart. An ungreased 9 by 9 inch pan, press it into the bottom. I just finished watching Severance yesterday. It is so good. If you have other recommendations for shows like that, let me know. I think that's fine. Now you're gonna bake it for 15 minutes at 375. 350. For the lemon custard part, you'll need, we're just gonna use the same bowl, 4 eggs. Ready for this? One-handed. Hell yeah. Oh shoot. 1 1/4 cup of sugar. I always do a little bit less. Okay, we were supposed to whisk together sugar and flour first. It's okay. Just gonna do this, whisk in 1/4 cup of flour and then the lemon juice. Flour, total of 2/3 cup lemon juice. Perfect timing. Pour this right over the top. Bake for another 20 minutes. It might be a little bit over, but we're gonna let it fully cool. Once it's completely cool, powdered sugar. We did it. I just inhaled it.